Don't eat bread. Make this easy breakfast recipe. In a medium bowl with a ripe banana, start by adding 1 egg. Then, using a fork, mash the banana very well until it dissolves completely. When that happens, add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and mix until the sugar dissolves. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it. And we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Then add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And keep mixing until incorporated. It is important that you mix the ingredients very well, so that the batter is super smooth. After that, sift 5 tablespoons of wheat flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix very well until combined. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now. Type that recipe and download it. This is the right mix. After doing this, in a large skillet over low heat, add a drizzle of vegetable oil and spread it with a brush. Now, add the batter we prepared earlier. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Spread it across the skillet, cover, and let it fry for 5 minutes. After this time has passed, flip the pancake, cover the skillet again and let it fry for another 3 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.